Alright, let's take a look at MVST stock. As of April 17, 2025, the price stands at $1.83, which, wow, reflects a 10.91% increase in just a single day. The market capitalization is around $559.69 million. Now, over the past 52 weeks, the stock has ranged from a low of 15 cents to a high of $2.87, which honestly indicates some pretty extreme volatility. When we talk about recent volatility, MVST has seen 13.19% swings over the last 30 days, and about 53% of those days have been green days, meaning positive trading sessions. So, what are the key factors influencing MVST stock right now? First, let's look at price predictions and technical analysis. For the short-term forecast, the one-month prediction sits at about $1.82.7, which is a slight decline of 0.43%. The 14-day target is expected to fall somewhere between $1.50 on the downside and $2.18 on the upside. Looking further ahead, the long-term outlook by December 2025 suggests a range between $1.86 to $2.17. And if we stretch out to 2030, forecasts start to vary pretty widely, with some models predicting prices as high as $4.74, which would be a 159% growth from current levels. Now let's talk about technical indicators. The overall sentiment here is bullish, with 24 bullish signals compared to just 2 bearish ones. The 50-day simple moving average stands at $1.62, while the 200-day simple moving average is 95 cents. The 14-day relative strength index comes in at 63.38, which puts it in that neutral to overbought range. Moving on to company fundamentals, the business model is all about lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles and energy storage systems. In terms of recent developments, Pat Schultz was appointed as CFO in April 2025, and there's a new partnership with Tonley Heavy Industries to supply eco-friendly mining trucks. Financially, the company reported revenue of $0.307 billion in 2025, but net income has declined over recent quarters. Now, looking at risks and challenges, there are concerns about overvaluation since the stock is trading 0.69% above some short-term forecasts. There are also ongoing class action lawsuits related to securities fraud allegations, and the company's performance is heavily dependent on EV adoption rates and energy storage demand. As for analyst sentiment, there's a consensus rating of buy from one analyst, with a 12-month price target of $3, which would mean a 63.93% upside. There's some divergence here though. Earlier targets were a lot more optimistic, like $8 back in 2023, but recent adjustments show expectations have been reduced. So, what are the key takeaways? There's definitely long-term growth potential tied to the EV and energy storage markets, with a 5-year return on investment forecasted at plus 159%. In the short term though, it's wise to be cautious because of high volatility and mixed signals. For example, a bearish 30-day trend versus bullish technical indicators. On the strategic side, partnerships and leadership changes could help stabilize future performance. For real-time updates, you'll want to keep an eye on NASDAQ MVST, or check out resources like CoinCodex and TradingView.